Welcome back to Advanced CAD tutorial. Today we are going to make a table in SolidWorks. Here we are learn basic command surfaces, loop surface. I hope like it. So let's start. I choose here file new. Select here part. I will select top plane. First of all I create reference geometry. Plane. Flip direction. 450 mm. Hit enter. I will select front plane, let me sketch. Draw line, midpoint line R2 here. Make sure horizontal. Define 700 mm. Enter. Choose here circle. Define 500 dia. Select. Draw line, tangent relation. Draw line here, hold shift key, tangent. I will use trim entities. Now see this drawing fully defined. Simply exit. I will choose plane 1, sketch. Draw line here. Make sure construction geometry. Choose here 3-point arc. Select. Coincide relation. 2 points should be horizontal relation. Define radius 13 mm. Let's define between distance 20. Define one more distance 200 mm. Enter. Exit sketch. Now I will use loop surface. Selection manager. Select group. High plane. I will choose top plane. Sketch. Choose here circle. Let me define 100 dia. Now use extrude surface 10 mm. Next I will use thickness. Both side 8 mm. Background color white. So I go to features. I will use circular pattern. Choose body. Direction. Circular pattern 3. See? Next, I will sketch front plane. Draw center rectangle. Let's define origin to border 50 mm. Extrude cut. Direction through all both. Now I will sketch 3D sketch. Convert entities. Convert. Plane 1 show. Go to plane 1 sketch. Draw line. Line should be vertical. Here I will create horizontal line, midpoint line. Make sure horizontal relation. Smart dimension 60 mm. Between distance 47.38 mm. Enter. Simply exit. Height plane. Now use loop surface. Next I will use thickness. Mm. So whatever I will do, I will use loft, face loft. One face, second face. Now you will fillet 10 mm symmetric. Go to circular pattern, select body, see, face sketch, draw construction line, auto here, choose here circle, smart dimension, 10 mm dia, enter. I will create construction line, mm. Go to extrude, 5 mm, flipped up 20 degree. Circular pattern, select body, same way, hide. Now sketch upper surface, draw a circle, let's define 900 dia, enter. Extrude boss base 20 mm, extrude. Make sure unmarked chariot. Use fillet face 5 mm, enter. Combine, add body. So base model is now ready. Go to material tab, polish steel, body. Now use glass, something like fill green glass. Thanks for watching.